As many of you know, I worked in the micro precision world for a long time, an international consultant that got to see a lot of processes around the world from country to country, company to company. Today, I'm in India at CTC, and the topic we're talking about is micro precision. With me right now, I have 30 micron drills and 100 micron drills. These things are tiny. In fact, when I open this up, if I sneeze, I might break it. The wind blows, it might break. That's how fragile they can be. And I make jokes, of course, but they are made of carbide, and it is important to understand how accurate and how precise these things need to be in order to machine in such a small diameter. On top of that, here at CTC, because they are globally known as leaders in the micro precision world, working in anything that demands small diameter, I've machined things like shower heads, for example, in micro machining. I've gone into the phone world and the electronics world where micro machining is 100% required. This one is a 0.25 millimeter, 60 times D for that small diameter drilling that you need. Now, I know you can't see it right now, but thank goodness to the magic of editing, we're going to zoom in for you and make sure that you can take a look at that. But this is what CTC is known for, is those really high precision, really small diameter, and yet also cost-effective tools that will allow you to succeed in your facility. So give CTC a call and get to know them a bit better and how they might be able to help your shops.